This video demonstrates the process for changing the operational mode setting on a SensorWorks model SWX100 series wall switch sensor from the default auto on, auto off occupancy mode to vacancy mode, which is defined as manual on, auto off operation. First, press and hold the push button until the indicator LED begins flashing rapidly in blue, then release. Next, tap the button 3 times to enter function 3, which is the operational mode setting. The LED will blink back white the number of times equal to the current setting according to the table printed on the included instruction card. The default is 3 blinks, which corresponds to the auto on, auto off occupancy mode. Following a short pause, this blink back sequence will repeat. To change this setting to vacancy mode, interrupt the blink back sequence by pressing the button twice, which is the number of the vacancy mode setting. The LED will blink back white 2 times, confirming this as the new setting. To exit and save, press and hold the push button until the LED changes from blue to white, then release. The unit will blink white twice, indicating the save was successful. Note that if the LED blinks back twice blue at any point in this process, an air condition occurred and you will need to repeat the process from the beginning. Now let's see this process in real time. Press and hold the push button to enter programming mode. Select function 3. 2 is the current setting. Change it to the new setting 3. 3 is repeated back to you. Exit and save by holding until the LED changes color. 2 white flashes at the end indicate success.